What's going on, guys? For today's video we have an FTP Lakai collaboration unboxing. I am so hyped about this shoe. I've been wanting this for a minute now. We got the leaks for it a little while back and it has finally arrived, and I have finally got them both in the mail. So this drop was a little different because it did release on Lakai's website, and I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. I've been rocking Lakai's for probably 10 plus years, I want to say, back in the day when I used to actually skateboard, and I've never really known how to pronounce their name, so hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. Anyways, back to what I was saying, this did release on their website, not FTP's website, and it actually, at the time of filming this, it actually just restocked on FTP's website, but I was not actually home to even be able to participate in that. But anyways, yeah, I didn't get any of the clothing, spoiler alert. I only really went for the shoes. I did two separate orders, got both the shoes, and then I really wasn't able to get the clothes because like the clothes just flew. I could not pick any of that up, but I'm still happy with what I got. I was actually able to get my size, so I'm hyped about that. But let's just get right into some unboxing. I'm not sure like which order is which, so hopefully this isn't the one that I'm like the most hyped for, so we can save that for last. Even if it is, no worries. So let me make sure I don't cut the box. I don't know if they have like the same box either though, or if they have different boxes, or what the case is. So it looks like, okay, we got a, what is that? We got an invoice maybe or something. Yeah, so you actually get some free stickers too, so that's cool. And then yeah, I think that's it. So it says, Lakai, a big thank you for shopping with Lakai. And then yeah, I don't know, maybe it's to return it. And then what does it say? They hand wrote something on this, but I don't really know what it says. Yeah, not sure what that is. So you do get two stickers. You do get the FTP Lakai sticker right here in the white colorway, but you also get this Lakai sticker as well, just not FTP related. So this is the shoe I actually wanted for myself. This is the one I was the most hyped for, so I guess we're starting here with this one. This is the Newport. This thing is so sick. I got it in a size 10. I couldn't remember what I used to rock back in the day when I used to wear Lakai's, so I just went my true to size, and hopefully they end up fitting me. So yeah, right here you got the gold FTP on the side, this like bluish translucent sole on the bottom, and then what I really like underneath is how it's just FTP throughout the entire thing. You got a Lakai on the back, a Lakai on the tongue, another FTP on this side, and is there anything on the insoles? Yeah, you got the FTP on the insoles, the little metal whatever things they're called on the end of the shoelaces, with the FTP on the inside as well. So yeah, these shoes are sick. These are going to be for the personal collection. Yeah, not really too much more to say about them. Let me move my phone. I will leave these in the background so you can see them as well. And oh yeah, I should have said, like, the box is so sick. You got the black box with the FTP logo across it in gold, 10 years of FTP, and yeah, box is sick. I really like the way it looked. And there's the shoe in the background. And then moving along, we did get another pair of shoes. And for anyone wondering, because I have seen a lot of people very angry about this drop, I got all of my orders manual. I did not use a bot. I don't even own a bot, so it is team manual over here, and I secured both shoes manual. Next up, let me get everything out of here. I think that's it in the box. So we have another FTP Lakai sticker, but this time we got it in black. Then we did get another Lakai sticker, that same thing, but this time in white. Another little invoice thing. And then we did get a sticker pack as well, and this thing is tiny. This thing is so small. This is the free sticker you get, and then this is a little sticker pack. That's kind of funny. I think I got like 4 stickers. I'm not going to open this because there's really no point for me to open that. I did get this in like a kid size, so I'm not entirely sure if this is the box that it comes in or not, but we got the FTP on top, then we have the Evo on the side with the Lakai and all that stuff. And then I did get this in a size 6, obviously not my size. This shoe slaps, honestly. I would have loved to get this in my size. You have the Lakai logo here, the FTP on the tongue, FTP right here on the toe box. This is like the best part, is the FTP at the bottom. I want to say this is 3M, but I'm not entirely sure and I don't remember. And then the insole has the all over print on the FTP on the inside. Like, yeah, this shoe is sick. I really do like this. I plan on holding it for a while to see if prices go up or not. And yeah, like I said, I don't know if this is like the box they all came in. It's kind of odd that they like went all out for this box, but then for the Evo box, you kind of get like the short end of the stick and they just give you like this regular old box. And now I can't even close this thing. Yeah, like I was saying, it's kind of crazy to go all out for this, for the Newport box, but in like the Evo box, they don't really do anything. So yeah, that is everything that I got from the Lakai Lakai FTP collaboration. I was so hyped in this collab. A little bummed I didn't get the tee. The tee was like the last thing I want on the list for my personal collection. These shoes are crazy right now because I think they're only about like $20 over retail, which is a steal. I actually want to get a few more pairs because for all my resellers out there, I feel like prices on these are going to go up in the future. There's going to be a hold item. But with reselling nowadays, if it's not like a box logo or something like that, a lot of times you have to hold a lot of these items. So I plan, well, this is for myself, but I actually already got a couple more pairs of the Newports coming in. I plan on holding those for a while as well. You might as well scoop them up. They're basically retail. Like 20 bucks at a retail to me is almost basically retail once you throw in like sales tax and all that. So pick them up while you can. So that is everything from this collaboration. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys were able to pick anything up from this drop. Again, I've said it 30 times already, but I am just so hyped on this drop and so hyped I was able to secure these. Cannot wait to throw these on feet. So again, like I just said, let me know in the comments down below if you picked up anything from this drop. Leave a like if you haven't already, and make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.